The new Hisense Mini LED Pro Smart AI TV gives you amazing detail and colours thanks to its panel technology and AI upscaling. Let's see it in action. This is a Mini LED Pro TV, which means that the backlight is made up of thousands of tiny LEDs. You get smaller, more densely packed LEDs than you would with standard Mini LED technology, giving you hundreds of dimming zones and more control over the picture. So you'll get increased brightness, better contrast with deeper blacks and more vibrant colours. The display also has an impressive 165Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers, as this means that your games will be responsive and smooth even when you're in a fast-paced, action-packed scene. And if you switch on Game Mode Ultra, you'll get low input lag and picture settings, perfect for gaming. AI also helps to improve image quality too. HiView AI Engine Pro is an advanced AI technology that enhances whatever you're watching in real time. It does this by optimizing the resolution, brightness, contrast, and color, so you're always getting the most out of your films and shows. It uses frame level analysis to make sure nothing is missed, and you can customize this setting too. Plus, this AI processor also upgrades your audio with features like AI noise reduction and dialogue clarity that make sure that every sound is crystal clear. This TV comes with Freely built in. Freely is a platform that lets you easily browse and watch live TV channels together with on-demand content all in one place. And you don't even need an aerial, as it's all streamed direct to your TV via the internet. If you'd like more info about this TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.